This is a memory blanket I made for my grandson Austin, who just lost his best friend, beloved pet of 13 years, B-Dog. So I thought I would make this for him for memories. All of his favorite photos and all of B-Dog's favorite things. Milk bones. Tennis ball was the big one. Big tennis ball dog since he was a puppy. And takeout snacks in the flavor of bacon. Tasty snacks and milk bone. Tennis balls. Some memorials. My favorite picture. He's laid in the middle of a body pillow. These are his favorites. Grandma treats. And then every Christmas he got the big beef bone flavored rawhide. And then toward the end he went on CBD for pets for his pain. So here I made a mistake and I put it upside down. So I wrote, whoops, I couldn't fix it. And that's pretty much it. Some of the things. And I put on the very end a little memorial with the infinity, because they were giving them the CBD for pets at the end. And then some more. And this was his last day. He has a huge tennis ball. You really can't see it. It's right here. That they buried with them. And then I signed it. So I think Austin asked for it, and he chose the pictures that he wanted. I added the memorials because I like the sayings to them, especially this one. I put his picture on it, Lucky Dog. I like that saying. And that's it. Hope he likes it.